back to Lego Loft AD. I am Audrey.
I'm Dexter.
And we're building two sets. I'm building Stephanie's house.
And I'm building superhero airport battle.
Mine has 622 pieces.
Mine has 807 pieces.
I totally might finish before him.
But don't worry, if I finish first, I may help you.
Yay! Let's get started!
Yes, I've been waiting so long for this!
It's getting late. We have to finish this tomorrow.
Hi, we're back, and
yeah, we've been gone for a while because Dexter split his lip by jumping on the bed.
And
he was jumping on the bed, but Mom said not to.
And
it's crazy.
Then I stopped, but when I
we don't have to hear the whole story.
I just slipped, fell, and then split my lip.
Okay, we don't have to hear the whole story. Okay, let's get back to work. We're finally done.
Well, I'm finally done. She finished before me a long time ago. Okay. So this has a carpet that can open up, obviously.
What's a carpet?
A carpet is this. This is a carpet.
Oh.
And he goes inside.
Who's that?
This is Winter Soldier. So here's the Avengers airplane. Once you spin this little thingy around, look what happens on the bottom. Bullets come out, and I don't think this will shoot.
Oh, wow, you just shot it at me.
And this shoots, and when this comes down, a little string comes out for Captain America to fight Iron Man. And these wing things can just flop around, fold up, and all those crazy things like these. These can also do this.
Ooh la la.
And this is Giant Ant-Man, and you can open this up. And where's Tiny Ant-Man? Oh,
Tiny Ant-Man's so small.
Yeah, he's so small that there's an extra one. And here's Iron Man. And here's Black Panther that doesn't have a back or front. And up here, it looks like a little tiny robot at first on the top watching guard, but it's actually just two lights that can spin around.
So this is Stephanie's house from Lego Friends again. So it has a mailbox, a little bunny house with a bunny in it. It's Stephanie's bunny. And here's a swing in the front. And inside, we've got the kitchen. And inside here, there's this is Stephanie's mom. This is her dad. And here's Stephanie. And here is where they watch TV. Like the TV's here, volleyball, and then they have like little treats there for them. And here's the stairs. It goes all up to this little workspace. Like I think that's where Stephanie studies. And here's the bathroom. And finally, here's Stephanie's bedroom. I kind of like the thing that's over her bed. And I made this little bed for her bunny, indoor bed for her bunny. That doesn't come with it, but I just added that. And when you open this door, you get to go out on this porch right here. Hope you enjoyed our Lego set combo. Thanks for watching.
See you guys next time.
Adios, amigos.
Bye-bye.